Hey, check out the new trail sign. I'm at the Moshassuck River Preserve in Lincoln, and we put this sign up over the summer. We're really proud of it. It's a new look for some of our smaller preserves. We'll be rolling these out over the rest of the summer and the fall. Some key differences from the old look. First, I think you'll see this it's much more colorful, brighter, more colorful, hopefully more engaging and more inviting. Second, we made some changes with the map. We oriented the map to face the direction that you're walking in as you approach the trailhead. Instead of always pointing north, up is the way you're going. Revolutionary, right? But I think it makes a lot of sense, more intuitive, especially for first-time visitors. The other thing we added to the map, if there are places where it's muddy or steep, or if the footing might be a little tricky, we put that on the map so you know that in advance. Some trail descriptions give you a sense of what you see if you turn right, if you turn left, which trail has the features that you want to check out. Illustrations, we put people on the map, on the sign for the first time, and all kinds of people, and that was an intentional choice. And again, hopefully that speaks to inclusivity, belonging, and the feeling like, you know, everybody is welcome here. Really, everyone is welcome here, and that's what we're after. So again, I just want to walk through some changes here. The next one will be Queens River Preserve in Exeter. We'll check that out soon. Thanks.